So this is the Jean K Modern Farmhouse wall sconce, and I got this for our bedroom a couple months ago. It's really, really great quality. I love it, and one thing I love about it is you can actually buy one of these rechargeable bulbs for it, and then that way you don't have to hardwire it. So basically the light comes with this cord for charging, and then it has a little magnet that the light attaches to, and it comes with a remote, so you can control everything from the remote on off. You have different like shades of lighting, a timer. It's really, really sweet. But overall I'm super happy with this wall light. I think it looks really, really nice in our bedroom. It's just a really pretty modern farmhouse design. I love the gold mixed with the white shade. I think it's a really nice size. It's not too big, not too small. It also was super, super easy to install. It just came all put together, so I didn't have to do anything for assembly. And then I just screwed it into the wall with the plate since I didn't do hard wiring. So yeah, overall I really love these lights and I think they are a great buy.